I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have been at this all day. So, if you know me, you know this is a rare friggin' sight. This took me all day. Got the bobber back in, she's super excited, and got the TV box all mounted up. Absolutely loving it. Quick little push. Oh, got our favorite YouTuber on there. He's just hanging out, doing his thing. No big deal. And I'm pretty excited about this, guys. It was a great project. Kevin really helped me out on that one. Same with Brandon from BLR Fab. You know, it's good to have friends. You don't have to do everything by yourself. But the main thing about this is, you know, we got a clean shop because we've got some new videos coming up. A lot of garage install videos. Some tires over there. We've got some Indian boxes over here. And just lots going on. Now, kind of burnt the edges, got this all done. I've left the back side of the door plain because I want to put some stickers up there. I think that'd be a really good spot for them to be in lots of videos, and I think we give the honor to these two right here. Great supporters and what I like to call friends now, all through the Indian motorcycle world and YouTube. So Bearded Bobber, Bombshell Biker, thank you very much.